evening. I'm your host, Kinley. Good evening. I'm your host, Dylan.
And I'm Kinley.
And you're watching the CMS Broadcast.
It's Thursday, January 23rd.
It's also National Polka Dot Day.
And also National Blonde Brownie Day as well.
Ooh, does that mean all blonde brownies are free?
I don't think so.
No!
Calm down. It's not like it's the end of the world or anything.
But it is.
You need help.
I don't need no help. The only cure is blonde brownies.
Yeah, okay. Anyways, tomorrow's lunch is...
Blonde brownies?
No, it's a pretzel with cheese.
Oh, well, that's pretty good too, I guess.
Yeah, see, there's more to life than blonde brownies.
Mm-hmm. Anyways, do you want to hear a joke?
Okay, yeah, sure. As long as it's not about blonde brownies.
Okay. Why don't brownies play baseball?
I thought you said no more stuff about brownies.
No, you said no more talking about blonde brownies.
Okay, whatever. Just get on with the joke.
Yeah. So, back to what I was saying. Why don't brownies play baseball?
Why?
Because they'd crumble under pressure.
Wow, that's a knee slapper.
I know, right?
Speaking of things blonde, we've interviewed drama teacher Miss Collins about the upcoming play.
We'll show you that now. We're interviewing Miss Collins. She teaches 6th and 8th grade ELA classes and 7th and 8th grade drama. So the first question is, what is the title of the play and what is it about?
It is the Brothers Grimm Spectaculathon, and it is a mix of a bunch of fairy tales, but they're done kind of in a funny way, so not the actual fairy tales of like Snow White.
Okay. How are you feeling about it?
I'm feeling okay. I'm not the one up on stage, of course, so I'm feeling okay. I think everybody will be ready now that we have costumes. Maybe they'll be more serious, those that still need to memorize lines, but everybody's doing well so far, so I think we'll be fine.
Okay. And then, do you think all the kids will be ready in time?
I hope so. I'm just more worried about everybody being healthy in here. So hopefully that they get lots of practice in these next 5 days, and yeah, we should be ready.
Yeah. Well, thank you for letting us interview you.
Thank you.
Thank you again, Miss Collins, for letting us interview you.
The play will take place next Tuesday at 2:30 in the Commons. Anyway, on with the broadcast. Since we missed school on Monday, we will be having Friday school this weekend.
Oh, man.
More school news. The end of the semester is on the 30th of January, which is next Thursday.
So be sure to turn in all your schoolwork, as no assignments will be able to be turned in past the 30th.
Anyways, enough about school. Want to hear the character of the week?
Sure.
Drumroll, please. Stitch.
Oh, I love Stitch.
Even more than blonde brownies?
Know your limits.
Okay.
Well, I think that's all from the CMS Broadcast.
Until next time.
Bye.